So, welcome to the unboxing of the Carpuride W702 Android Apple CarPlay Android Auto device for on the motorcycle. I think I'm going to install this on the Moto Guzzi V100 Modelo S, but maybe also on the KTM 890 Adventure R. So, let's open it. Okay. So this device, okay, nothing happened. So this device is something really interesting. I was always a bit jealous of the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the Africa Twins and some other Honda motorcycles, Goldwing for example. And I was like, why don't other manufacturers do that? But yeah, fortunately there are companies that make this kind of stuff, which is really nice. So this is a 7-inch version, so it should be a pretty big box, but let's see. Sorry, not a pretty big box, a pretty big device. Hopefully not too big. So, whoa, okay, it's pretty big. Whoa, oh my god, it's really big. Oh my god. This is awesome. Okay, let's put that to the side for now. It's a device with a cable. Let's zoom out a bit. Yep. So I've asked them to deliver 2 cables because I'm going to use it on 2 devices, which I've got. It has sort of ram mount, handlebar mount. So I got 2 of them in this case, but normally you get 1. But I've asked 2. You also get a little booklet with some instructions. I think you can put it directly on your battery, but you can also directly maybe put it on an ACC. Oh, look, it's a KTM. You can also put it on ACC1 or ACC2 in the KTM. Can you also watch videos? Okay, interesting. I think I'm not going to watch videos on the bike, but you'll never know. Extra, how do you call that? Extra, I've got the name, I'm stupid. You know what it is. Okay, so this is the mount. Simple but robust. Looks a bit like the ram mounts. It's not plastic, it's metal. It's also sort of metal-like, so pretty robust. With a rubber insert, so for your handlebar, so it doesn't damage, which is really nice. Sometimes people forget. So this is the standard cable. You put this on. This is also the extra thingy, which the name I've forgot. And this goes directly to the device, and this will go with another cable to your battery. So that's it. And this is the device with the cable. Oh, let me put it. I'm not a really good unboxer, as I've noticed. But man, this is a big device. Really like it. There's a screen protector on it. I'm not sure if that's a normal screen protector that you always need to put on, or is it just for protection for shipping. But it looks very good. This is a normal ram mount like mount. I need to think about how to mount this on my bike, but I can mount it for the review on my handlebar and maybe afterwards on a better spot. I have to say I've received this device. It was on my own request because I was really interested in this device to try it out, and we've agreed that they would send me this device in exchange for a review. But I did say, and I did made an appointment to make sure, or an agreement to make sure that I can be as honest as possible. So if it's not okay, I would also say that, of course, because I do want to recommend stuff that I like. So I think it should have some battery power, so hopefully it works.
5 hours later.
Okay, we can wait for a really long time. The battery is empty for now, so I'm going to mount it on the bike and then we'll check it out on the bike.
So we're on the bike right now. I've installed the Carpuride and I can already say it's absolutely awesome. It's really nice to have a big display and to have Apple CarPlay at the tip of your fingers. I'm riding a Motorini right now. This is a loaner. This is a press bike, which I will make a separate video about. But as you can see, really nice screen. It's a bit big, it's 7-inch, so I recommend a better spot for this bike, and for other bikes of course you can mount it above your normal screen, but I think it's really nice. It works really well with your gloves. Oh sorry, let me do my gloves because someone was telling me that it is not good. So yeah, really nice. So I can do Spotify. Let's go to the left. It's a bit dark right now because it's the evening, but I hope you can see it. So we have Spotify. I can play some songs, which is really nice. I have Google Maps which works I think pretty well. Let's see, it's still loading. Yes, I'm on my destination right now, and let's say I try to do my destination. I think it works perfectly. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. It's really clear. Yeah. I'm really liking this bike right now, by the way. Motorini is a nice bike. Doesn't have a quick shifter, of course, but doesn't need it. So yeah, it works really well. I'm not sure how it works with Android Auto, but I reckon it works also really good with Android Auto. What I do want to know is, how do I get to the home screen? Just go to the Carpuride. Yeah, nice. Okay, so the Carpuride is still on the bike. I'm not sure if it's charging right now. Oh no, that's my phone which is showing, so it should be charging, and I think my final conclusions are that I highly recommend this type of devices. I highly recommend the CarPlay system. If you use the right apps on your phone, you have a really good system. I have up the brightness right now, and there's pretty low sunlight, and it's easily readable, so that's nice. Yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah, I would highly recommend this one. So this one is a 7-inch version. You also have a 5-inch version. I think that one is on some bikes a lot better because it's smaller and it doesn't. This screen is pretty big, but I think if you find the right position for this screen, maybe on here, you can also try that one. It's a really nice addition. I think it's better than using your phone because Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is more designed for using while riding. So big buttons, good oversight. Yeah, would highly recommend this. So I think it's around 250 euros, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But for that kind of money, you have a way better device than let's say, TomTom rider, because this one is just much bigger, easier to use, and you can use it with your phone, which is nice. And you can also use the same apps as with the TomTom rider, so highly recommend. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave a like, thumbs up, and consider to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, tap here, tap here.